Okay, let's have some fun. I'm gonna show you how to spin a manual car. First, we're gonna do it on the outside, then I'm gonna take you step by step on the inside, the whole process. You'll be a pro spinner before the end of the day. Check this out. That's it. Action. Let's see it from the outside. Okay, this is for all of you out there that want to spin your small car that does not have power. Okay, I don't recommend it, but if you want to do it, I'm going to show you how. First, handbrake is up, cars are neutral, both feet is off the brake, clutch and accelerator because it's standing still and out of gear. Gonna engage the clutch completely and you're gonna give it a lot of revs. Not like madly, but so it picks up. Okay. Putting it in first gear, dropping the clutch, getting the car to keep its position with your revs and your clutch control. And you're gonna give it some fuel until you hear it revving. Keep it in the first gear and then drop your clutch and you will see some dust kicking up. Let's do that again. My car has traction control, so it is preventing the car from spinning, but we get a nice dust at the left and it does do it the first time. So handbrake up, neutral, off all those. The magic is giving it more fuel than normal pull away. Okay, clutch in, first gear, and on the handbrake you're gonna have to exercise this to get clutch control, so you cannot use the handbrake to keep the car still, otherwise you're gonna lose power. Upping the revs, you'll hear the car revving, that's still in. I'm keeping my car's position with the clutch control, giving it fuel, dropping the clutch faster than normal and releasing it, and you will see some dust kicking up. So that's for you junkies out there that wants to spin your small cars. And now I have to pick up speed. You'll see the traction control light going on there because I was in a light gear and giving it all. And we're driving back to base. I hope you enjoyed. If you'd like to see more of these how-to tutorials, hit the like and subscribe button. Hi, hope you enjoyed it. That's all for today. More coming tomorrow. See ya.